Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm getting new blinds in my house, and some of them are up really high, so it's gonna be a pain in the butt to charge the automation on it. But what I have here is going to help me out with that tremendously because it is a solar panel. And this one here I got, it's more powerful than other ones here. You can see it's this two-piece. This is a 3.4 watts, 6 volts. Usually they're like 1.5 or something like that. So this one here is good for areas that are slightly less sunny. Why can I not open this thing? There we go. Okay. And so this is what it looks like here. This is the solar panel side. It basically just looks black. And then you have the USB-C connector. So this will give us the ability to charge through USB-C. What did they drop? Oh. It comes with a connector for USB-C to micro USB. So if you do have a micro USB one there, but the way it'll work, you'll pull off the tapes here, tape it onto the window, run the little wire into your blind, and you'll just be able to charge as you go. So very cool. So this one here is a nice, decent sized one, and you can kind of put it up towards the top and hide it behind there. And this one here is good because it'll give you a little bit more power than some of the other ones that I got. So this one here, I like it. Thumbs up.